Mad at me? Huh? Are you mad at me? Aww. What's Joshua gonna say about that blanket being ripped up? Josh, he's eating your blanket. Josh. Bailey. William, could you leave him alone?
Stop.
Bailey, Bailey, Bailey. Give Joshua a kiss. Give Josh kisses. Here, send him a kiss. Okay, goodbye. Say bye, Josh.